to show you guys how to clean. If you guys see the stone is not even, apply it everywhere and brush it really good. See the stone, beautiful, shiny now, and you don't see all the dirt is gone. Hi guys, today I'm going to demonstrate and show you guys how to clean your pendant and the gold. This is a pendant where I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how to clean the gold and the stone. And because just not long ago I received a request where was asking how to clean their gold and stone, so this is what we're gonna do. I did some thinking and well, how you can clean your golden pendant or a ring in that matter home. And one thing for sure, you can find this in your homes, this material to be able to clean your pendant, where you don't have to go drive to jeweler store and ask them to clean it for you. You can do it at home, and you can do it more often. Basically what I'm going to show is I have a first thing is I have a really hot water, and I have a regular faucet water, and I purchased one of toothpaste, fluoride toothpaste, because fluoride works the best. It has the properties to clean a gunk and old stuff that it's been stuck to your gold and got dried up and everything. And Colgate has this brand is really inexpensive and has a fluoride, so you can use any fluoride toothpaste in that. And then I got really cheap brush that you could use. These are all like $2 piece or $1.50, you know, not a big money. You can invest to use this to clean pendants in this matter, or your jewelry, which in time what happens is, like, a lot of time women or men, they use a lot of perfume, a lot of lotion, a lot of sweat, everything. Over the years it gets really hard, and it gets stuck to your jewelry, and it gets really dull. Your gold gets dull and everything. So what I'm gonna do is, like, I'm gonna take this Colgate and this brush. I wanna just put on it a little bit like that, right? Like this. And I wanna get this pendant is so dirty. That's why I want to make this video, because this is perfect piece to show you guys how to clean. If you guys see it, the stone is not even shiny, the gold is not shining. Very soon when I clean, this is a repair that came in, and the chain is broken, but that's not what we're trying to show here. I'm trying to show you guys how to clean this piece. Basically what I want to do is I'm going to put it in the hot water, let it soak for a minute. The best is you can leave it in the hot water, let it soak for like 10 minutes, and then it's going to work even faster. But for the video, for the time's sake, I'm going to do it a little bit fast. Basically, I have a towel here in front of me, and I'm going to take it out. It's enough. Get a little bit of hot water, and I'm just gonna kind of like apply it everywhere and brush it really good everywhere like that. So fluoride has properties in it where it polishes metal too. It takes very long time to polish, but it does polish metal. It's made on reason, on purpose, so you can have really good clean teeth. So basically your teeth is it has enamel, and it needs a lot of cleaning. And then when you use this kind of toothpaste that has a fluoride in it, it's going to shine the enamel, because it has a property in it that it actually cleans and polishes your enamel. So yes, when you do a lot of brushing on your gold, it's going to shine your gold. Maybe not like polishing, but it's definitely gonna take all the dirt, all the old everything from it that it's stuck over the years, especially over the years, if not weeks and months. And just make sure that you brush really nice. Take your time. Don't just do a little bit. If you have to dip it in the hot water a little bit, like that, and try to go between all the prongs, all the stones. Get a little more water, like that. Good. And then I want to do the surface now, taking my time, making sure I'm reaching all the corners. And this brush is plastic and it's hard, and it's pretty stiff. It could go all the corners because of that. Now I'm using nice good hot water just to make sure that I'm breaking all the soap, all the toothpaste, everything off of it, like that. Just making sure that I could reach everywhere. Okay, now I'm gonna use clean water. Like that. I could see huge difference already. Big difference. It's already very clean. The gold is shiny. Amazing. So I'm gonna dry it a little bit. Try to get this napkin. And pretty much this is what it takes. Pretty much you want to take the napkin and kind of like push it in. It's better you don't use metal tweezer, metal something. You use little wood, maybe a toothpick would work better, because the toothpick's not gonna scratch the gold if you even touch the gold. So that's a good idea to do that also. And pretty much this is how you're gonna treat your gold and stones to clean really nice. If you guys haven't seen the video previous, that we got this comment that how to clean your gold is how to bring the sheen back, basically shine back to your large organic type of stones, or like stones have a lot of cracks and everything. So that was that video. We will be putting the link for that for you guys to go see that one too. But this is how you clean gold, bring the shine back, remove the dirt. And I want you guys to see what happened here. It's like really nice, clean. You can see the stone, beautiful, shiny now. And you don't see all the dirt is gone. Underneath, all the dirt disappeared. The thing is, the reason is because we will be repairing the chain later on for this one. But this is how you clean your very old and not so clean piece. Basically, what you want to do is like just get a fluoride toothpaste. Any fluoride would work, and get some inexpensive brush. This brush is very hard rubber, and it doesn't bend. It would actually penetrate in between all the cracks and crannies, and you just remove all the dirt that was there, the lotions, the sprays, the perfume, the sweat, every kind of things that you come in contact with. It accumulates on your gold and stones, and they go dull. Your gold goes dull, and then this is how you just clean it and just make it look nice. And this is what it takes, you know, just to have nice, beautiful pendant to bring the shine back. This is what you need to do to bring the shine back. This is really good method, because everyone has a, you know, you can even use one of your old toothbrushes and toothpaste. It will do the job, but to do a better job, I think fluoride toothpaste would do better. So yeah, if you guys have any comment, please leave down below. If you guys want to know how to clean other gold, diamond, anything, let me know. I'll try to figure out how you guys can do it home without purchasing any machinery, anything like that. You don't have to drive to jewelry store to have your jewelry clean. And this is one really good method, really good way to treat your gold and diamond rings, pendants, everything. And if you guys have any questions, please leave down below. I'll be more than happy to show you and talk to you guys about it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it.